Carla and Eddie. Hi, this is Charlie Rose with ShelfGenie. I am so sorry for the delay in getting this to you. Certainly apologize for the timing of that. It's just been a little bit of a challenging year starting off for me, so I just haven't been able to juggle that. And not that trying to make excuses or anything, but my father passed away earlier this year, so just trying to juggle that and some other personal family issues that are going on. So just hasn't been able to get me to get focused on this. I did need to do some detailed drawings, so I've started a couple of times, but just haven't been able to finish. But I wanted to show you what we have here. Looking at the RV, this is what I had in mind for that particular space. So it'd come out, these two shelves here are adjustable. So they're on pins that can be moved up and down. I can have it to where they pull out sideways. I don't know that that necessarily benefits you a ton by doing that. But here we'll have adjustable shelves in the middle, then the top and bottom are fixed, and we'll want to determine exactly how tall we want that to be able to be in that space. Normally there's only one drawer in the middle, so I'm gonna have to special order this one to do a second one there and get this as tall as I can. With it being a mobile application, I'm gonna recommend either a soft close rail or a push to open rail. Push to open rail gets a little bit tricky sometimes on a tall, skinny item like this one. If we have to put another rail up top. Soft close will certainly work as well, but the pricing that I'll show you will reflect either of those options there. Then if we look at the liquor cabinet in the home, so what I want to be able to do in this space is pretty straightforward. We'll do a 5-inch drawer on the bottom and then also a 5-inch drawer on the top. And because that top space isn't fully occupied, I don't want things to move and shift around in that rail or in that box. So what I'm recommending is that we come in and we add a divider that goes left to right. That divider is adjustable, so it can be put anywhere in here. So if you wanted all of the bottles to be pushed towards the back so that as you open and close they don't slide, or push towards the front, you can certainly do that. We can add more dividers if need be, but I thought this would at least give you some good options in how you tackle that space. So let's go ahead and look at pricing. And here is the pricing information. Everything's $18.45. The biggest pieces of materials at $16.04. Labor $2.55, delivery fee, and then you have a discount. That's the 50% off the labor. That's the going coupon that we have there currently, so that may have been where you noticed us, but the discount is $89.14. That gets you the classic package. Now we do have a basic package that will be a little bit more cost effective. There are some differences there too. So with the classic package, it has a lifetime warranty, whereas the basic has a 3-year warranty. This should be in your lookbook catalog that you have there. Depending upon which one you have, it's either on page 29 or 37, I believe. So if you can look at those, this will explain the different packages. It should be a table. But the classic package gives you the lifetime warranty on all the parts and labor, gives you a waterproof and scratch-resistant melamine bottoms on the drawers. And then you get a select first grade Baltic birch. So what that is, it doesn't have knots or mineral streaks or football cutouts and things like that. So that'll be a cleaner looking box. In basic, we do use all those components. And then you'll have the premium 100-pound full extension rail. So it's the smoothest rail out there. Very easy to move and maneuver. So certainly one of those things that will make a big difference for you. And we would do that with same pricing if you go to push to open rails, or if you go to soft close rails on that. And we can talk more details about that as well. So I just wanted to be able to share this with you. Again, I apologize for all of the time that it's taken me to get this to you. This is not how I like to be able to get the earn your business, but certainly want to be able to get this taken care of for you. Note that I would also be the one doing the installation, and that's been part of the struggle that I've had lately. Just had a lot of things trying to get all those schedules done with installations too, but I would be the one doing the installation, and where that benefits us here is we know exactly what we're talking about, what we're trying to accomplish, so we'll be all on the same page with that. So please take a look. Let me know how we can help in any way that we can. And again, I apologize for my delay, and hope to get the opportunity to earn your business and make this work for you. Thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful week.